Friends, here is your mathematics class. Today I am going to explain you your book page numbers 37, 38, 39 and 40. So let's see what is there on the page number 37. This is your book page number 37. You can take out your book along with this video. Here the topic is hundreds, tens and ones. Hundreds, tens and ones. You know what is the meaning of hundreds, tens and ones in mathematics. Encircle the correct number which shows 293. So how will you write this number 293 in expanded form? 2, as 2 is in hundreds place, so 2 hundreds. 9 is in tens place, so 9 tens, and 3 is in ones place, so 3 ones. We write in maths the number in order of ones, tens, hundred. Like the number is 293. So when we have to write the number 293, we have to tell the place value of this number. How will you tell? First of all, we write ones, then tens, then hundreds. As 3 is in ones place, so it is 3 ones, 9 in tens place, and 2 is hundreds place. Okay children, so this can be written as 2 hundreds plus, as 9 is tens place, it means that 9 multiply 10. Already you have studied about that. That is 9 tens and plus 3 is in ones place, so 3 multiply 1, that is 3. Here we can write 2 multiply 100 also, as it is in hundreds place. So what the number 2 multiply 100? That is 200 plus 90 plus 3. When we add all these numbers, you will get in short form 293. This number is written in expanded form. 200 plus 9 tens plus 3 ones is written in expanded form. Now, what is the question in your book? The question given in the book, encircle the correct number which shows. So here some numbers are written. Look, here the numbers are written like 3 tens. So in among all these numbers like 234, 325, 243, among all these numbers, which number has 3 in tens place? So just check it. Here 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place. That's why this number is encircled. So you have to encircle the number which shows 3 in tens place. Second is 3 in hundreds place. You can see on the book 3 in hundreds place. So among all that, on these numbers are there: 438, 763, 359. Among all that, which number shows 3 is in hundreds place? First we'll check the first number. Here 3 is in tens place, so that we cannot encircle, that is wrong. 3 in 100, here 3 is in ones place, so that is also we cannot encircle, that is wrong. In this number 359, 3 is in hundreds place, so we will encircle the number. Got it children? One more question I will do. This is 7 ones. This question 7 ones. So just check where 7 is in ones place. Here 7 is in hundreds place. Here 7 is in ones place. So you have to encircle that. So this way you have to complete this question given in the book. Now here encircle bills. This is house number. House is made, spelling is not written, so you have to just read it. What is that? House number. Bill is the name of person, like your name is there, no? You have some name like that. Bill is the English name. So encircle Bill's house number. So Bill's house number is what? You have to find out. It has 206 tens. 206 tens. So among all these given number like 286, 826, 682, 268, 862, among that, in which number 2 is in hundreds place and 6 is tens place? Just check it. Here 2 is in hundreds place, but 6 is not in tens place. So that is not the Bill's house number. Look this number. Here 2 is in tens place. So this is also not Bill's house number. Check this one. Here 2 is in ones place. It should be 2 should be in hundreds place. 2 का place value क्या होना चाहिए 100. यहाँ पे क्या है 1 है, तो ये भी Bill's का house number नहीं है. Now look this. 2 is in hundreds place. And 6 is in tens place also. 6 should be in tens place. So this is the Bill's house number. So you have to take out your pencil and encircle this number. This is Bill's house number. Clear? Now look the another question. Using each of the numbers 3, 5 and 2 only once. It means that you have to use this number 3, 5 and 2 only one time. You don't have to repeat the number. Write as many numbers as you can showing 200s. So you have to write as many number there. You have to show 2 is in 100. 2 should be in hundreds place. So what number you can make without repeating the number 3, 5, 2 and 2 should be in hundreds place. So 2, 5, 3, one number. Okay, you have to use only these three numbers. Then 2 should be in hundreds place. So 2 is in hundreds place. 2, 3, 5, the another number. Got it? So complete this in your book. Now come to the next page. What here you have to do? Place value. Let us take the number 463. So you have to write the place value of 463. 4 is in hundreds place. How? As I have explained now, I will explain you again like 463. So we start here ones, tens, 100. So 4 is in hundreds place, that's why here 4 hundreds is written. 6 is in tens place, 6 tens. 3 is in ones place, 3 tens. That can be written as 400. 6 tens means 6 multiply 10, 60. 3 multiply 1, 3. Okay. So the place value of 463 is 400. 6 place value is 60 and 3's place value is 3. Now what you have to do? In 463, the digit 4 is at the hundreds place, right? The place value of 4 is 400s. In this number 463, 4 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 4 is 400. The face value of 4. What is the face value of 4? Remember children, face value of any number is the number itself. किसी भी नंबर की फेस वैल्यू वो होती है, वो नंबर खुद ही होता है, वो नंबर खुद ही होता है. हम वहाँ पे ये नहीं पूछते हैं कि उस नंबर का स्थान क्या है, उस नंबर की जगह कहाँ है. हम ये पूछते हैं कि वो नंबर कौन सा है, तो वो नंबर वो खुद ही होता है, दैट इज़ 4. ओके. इफ़ वी आस्क द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 6, then 6 only. It is not 60 because 60 is telling the place of that number. वो कौन सी जगह पे है, तो वो tens place पे, इसलिए 60 लिखते हैं. Okay, but when we ask for a face value, the number itself means वो number खुद है. Like face value of 3 is 3, face value of 6 is 6, face value of 4 is 4, face value of 2 is 2. Okay, so there should be no confusion. Face values remains the same, but place value changes. We tell the place value of any number that where the number is, that is the place of the number. Similarly, the place value of 6 is 60 because it is in tens place. The place value of 3 is 3 because it is ones place. 3 ones matlab 3 multiply 1, that is 3. Clear? Now another question. Write the place value in the box of each encircled digit in the following number. Now you have to write the place value. Like this number is encircled, so in this box, this leaf, you have to write the place value. This is ones, this is tens, so its place value is 80. Okay, this is in hundreds place, 300. Clear? So you can do, that is very easy question. Now next page is write the place value of each encircle digit in the placeholder. Now encircle the number which is in circle, that is encircled. 400. The place value of 0 is 0 only. Okay, the place value of 0 is 0 only. Why? If 0 tens means children 0 multiply 10. If we multiply any number by 0, that equals to 0 only. Like 0 tens are 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 twos are 0. So if we are writing many times 0, there is no value. 0 is 0. Then 46, 6 place value is 6 because it is in ones place. 3 is encircled, so the place value of 3 is 30 because it is in tens place. Clear? Now look this challenge. What is there in the challenge? Here in the question challenge, it is given choose number with given place value from the list provided and write in the board. So this is the list. This is the list of number 302, 530. So provided means given. The list which is given. So you have to choose number. You have to choose the number, select the number given place values from the list provided. So here the place value is given like 2 or 5 in tens place. 2 or 5 in tens place. So from this list you have to find out the number which has 2 and 5 in tens place. So here 2 is in ones place, so 302 is not the correct number. Here 2 is not there. Here also 2 is not there. Here also 472 is not there. Here 2 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. That's why here 825 is written. One question, first question is done, already done for you, that is in the book. Okay, then 5, 2 or 5 in tens place. Now check the next number. Here 2 and 5 are not there. Here 2 is in 259, 2 or 5 in tens place. So here 5 in tens place. In this number 5 is in tens place. That's why this number 259 is written. Okay, here 2 is in tens place, here 5 is in tens place. So you have to find two numbers which has this value, given place value. Clear? Now next is 3 or 7 in ones place. Just check it. 3 in ones place. Here 513, 3 is in ones place. So you have to write the number 513 in the below of the bottom of the basket. Now 7 is in ones place. Here 697, 7 is in ones place. So next number is 697. Clear? So this way you have to do all the questions given on page number 39. What more is there? Making numbers. Making numbers. You have to make numbers. These numbers are not arranged in order, because when we write in maths, that place value number we starts from ones, then tens, not hundreds. Okay, here hundreds is written. You have to arrange that numbers in order. So after 5 ones, tens should be there, then hundreds. So is arranged as 300s. 300 should be first, then 2 tens, then 5 ones, 325. So here also you have to rearrange the number as 5 tens is written here. That is wrong. So first of all you have to write 600s. So in this blank you have to write 600s. Then place 5 tens, 5 tens and 2 ones. Got it, children? So you have to rearrange all these numbers. Here 2 ones, so 2 should be in ones place, 3 tens, 100s. I hope that you can do all these questions which I have explained today. All the children complete the work and show it to me. Thank you, children.